Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into a federal bank account using a mobile device. If you've recently enrolled for online banking and you'd like to log into your account for online access, send and receive payments, or simply check your balance or make other transactions, then watch the video till the end. If you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up your web browser and then type in www.federalbank.co.in. Make a search and you'll end up in the home page for Federal Bank, which looks like this. At the upper right hand corner, you should see a hamburger menu. Simply tap that on and this will bring up an expanded menu. Choose one of the options from where you'd like to log into your account. Let me choose this personal option. From the main homepage of Federal Bank, scroll all the way down until you see this login button. Tap that on and you'll be able to see areas from where you can choose from. Let me tap on this internet banking option. Now choose whether you'd like to log into your personal banking account or your corporate banking account. If you've not enrolled for online banking yet, you can also tap on the new user button and follow the instructions to register. In my case, I'm going to choose personal banking option. Simply tapping it on will take me to the other page. Here, scroll all the way down and tap on continue to log in. Now, as you end up in the login area, type in your user ID into the user ID text box. Go ahead and enter the password on the next field. Make sure to type in your credentials correct. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can tap on Forgot User ID link and follow the instructions. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password. Follow the instructions in order to reset to a new one. Once you type in your credentials correct, type in the verification code that has been displayed on the screen. And finally, tap on the login button in order to log into your bank account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.